How to set up payment method in Shopify. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, before proceeding, establish the store currency. Go to the settings, general, store defaults and tap on the currency display. Then click on change store currency and select the desired currency. Then click save to apply the changes. After fixing the currency again, go to settings and select the payment option to set up the payment. All you have to do is tap on the settings button available at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the payments. To activate Shopify payments, click the activation button on the payment settings page. For those who have previously set up a different payment provider and wish to switch to Shopify payments, an option is available to make this transition easy. When activating Shopify payments, it is important to specify the business type. Individual, the selection applies to sole owner who have not formally registered their business. Registered business, this option is for businesses operating under a registered name such as a corporation, LLC, or partnership. The nonprofit, this option is for organizations recognized as registered nonprofit entities. Shopify Payments requires an account representative during setup. This individual, often holding a position such as owner, senior executive, or director, possesses the authority and decision making power within the business. The role of the account representative is crucial for the verification process with banking partners. After entering the personal information during the Shopify payment setup, it is necessary to provide the store details. Accurate and verifiable details are essential. The submitted documentation must include the business name, business address, and company registration number or VAT number. Shopify also allows integration with additional payment processors and apps. Go to the settings, tap on the payments, and click on the Add Payment Method button and choose the gateway provider to integrate, Stripe or PayPal, and click Activate. This is a third-party application, so it is requested to create an account using the email address that is linked to the Shopify account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.